What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you the best VPN used for iOS and Android in 2018. All right, so there's going to be three reasons you'd be wanting to use a VPN. One is because you're downloading movies in torrents and you want to stream them without getting flagged by your service provider. That's kind of me right there. The second reason would be you don't want to be tracked by Google, or you're just looking to get more privacy. That's another reason. Then the third reason might be you just want to access restricted websites not available in your country. I'm good for all three of those, but like I've said in the past, I download and stream a lot of things, so that's kind of where I fall under. Anyways, the method I'm going to be showing, I'm going to have a link in the description for it, and this has been my go-to for over a year now. I've done previous videos with it, but we're going to be focusing on ExpressVPN. I'm going to load up their app on both this S8 and iPhone 10 just to show everybody how it works on both platforms. But basically, ExpressVPN is the number one VPN service on the internet. It is a paid option, so it's not free, but I'll tell you what, it's like $8.99 or something like that. It's relatively super cheap. It's one of the best VPNs I've ever used, and I almost just look at it, like I said, as a Netflix subscription. So that's why I pay for it. But anyways, it's totally worth it. The other cool thing about this is I'm going to be using the same account on both of these devices. So once you have an account with ExpressVPN, you can use that account on multiple devices. So if you've got a Windows computer, Mac, iOS, Android, anything, you can use this for multiple devices, one account. So it is kind of like a Netflix subscription. You use the same account, on multiple TVs and Xboxes and stuff. All right, anyways, I'm gonna load it up. I'm gonna show everybody how it works, but it's so easy. I mean, it's literally with the click of a button. All right, so let's log in on both platforms, get this going. All right. All right, we're almost there on iOS. Anyways, once you're logged in here too, it's literally just a push of a button. All right, so I just made it on both. So anyways, as soon as you log into the app and you have an account, you can actually choose the location you want to be in. Mine's set on New York on one, it looks like, and then the other one's on Chicago. Anyways, it's saying VPN is off. When you want to get this rolling and you're good to go, all you got to do is click it, and it'll start connecting, and then it'll tell you that the VPN is on and active. All right, so there's a couple of ways to make sure that it's working. The method I usually tell people to do is head over to Google and type in "what is my IP." Getting some weird stuff coming up here in Google. All right, what is my IP? So it's coming up as 172. All right, let me turn the VPN off just to get an idea now, and it should come off. So let's go back here. All right, so we are off. Gonna go back to Google and type it in. All right, and the VPN, it changed the IP. All right, so anyways, that's literally all you have to do to get this working. Now, like I said, this is a paid option, right? But the thing is, if you're somebody who really needs to be using this, at all times, what is, the cost of like $8 or $9 to use it? I mean, it's literally nothing. A lot of the free options that I've used on both Android and iOS, usually filled with ads, viruses, but mainly just annoyances, and they don't always work when they're supposed to be. So anyways, ExpressVPN is my go-to. Everybody, this, year, you gotta be using it if you're in need of a VPN service. It is the best. There's a reason it's the, number one on the internet currently. I'll have a link in the description for it. Anybody has any questions about it, hit me up in the comments. I'll always get back to you. I'd also appreciate if you guys hit the like and share button on this video. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to us yet, hit that subscribe, and we'll see y'all later.